All right, today we have a large LED light. Oh man, this is the biggest one I actually own. Sensor, motion sensors included, many LED lights, heavy duty. We're gonna set this up today and see how much it lights up the entire backyard. Big, large bolts they give you, pretty much all the mounts, and for wall too. Look at this. So it's gonna be heavy duty, so they give you extra amounts, heavier duty. And of course, they give you a small little remote. Features on the radar, which is the motion detecting. Then you can set up your timers and then the lighting effect, right? And you could keep it auto. Auto is it's pretty much for dusk to dawn, all right? The auto. So it takes about 2 AAA batteries and easy to set up. I mean, today we're gonna set up on my pole and see how well it works. All right, so here we set up a light right in our corner because it gets extremely dark because of the actual tree here. So one thing I like to do is when I set up the actual lights, I want to make sure that it's not blocking, the trees are not blocking it for the sun. So we're gonna light up this entire place here and come back at night and set it up. So right now it is on, we turned it on, and we're gonna come back to see how well it looks in here. And this is how dark it's gonna get at night. We'll turn it off and on so you guys can see the actual lighting. Check this out, guys. Look at how bright it is here. It's lighting up the whole entire place. And I got the remote here. I could turn it off completely. I'm gonna show you how dark it gets right now. Let me zoom back. Look how dark it gets. I'm about 15 feet. I'm gonna turn it on right now. Go back forward a little bit, turn it on. There it goes. Perfect lighting. Lights up the whole entire place here. Look at the motion detecting. It just turned off right now. As soon as I move, it starts turning on. But look how bright it is now. I'm actually going to stand in the corner so you guys can see it. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.